Hi guys, today we're going to show you how we did the installation of the Viofo A139 Dash Cam in Volvo XC40. As you can see, we managed to install the dash cam underneath the safety camera cover. This way it almost completely gets out of driver's view, because normally there's not that much space in Volvo, so you have to either install it somewhere in this area or in front of this cover or on the right side. All these options are not ideal, and most of them will block the view for the driver. This way, after this installation, it's pretty discreet and doesn't block the driver's view. I'll show you how it looks from the front. This is our dash cam. In order to install this camera, we had to remove this small plastic section from the box. We'll show the full installation later in the video. For now, I'll just quickly brief you how it was done. The power wire goes underneath the roof liner at this point, then it enters the A-pillar. Again, as I said, we'll show you how to remove the A-pillar cover in this vehicle. It goes underneath the glove box and enters this area. Right now we'll connect the camera. Our camera starts working.
Recording. One channel started.
I want to point out again that the dash cam is very conveniently located right in the middle of the vehicle. This way you'll get the centered view of your video. The only downside that we found so far is dash cam can slightly see this plastic cover on top of the image, but in my opinion it won't affect the whole video at all. Right now we'll go for a short drive. We'll show you guys how it records the video, and later we'll show the full installation process. Enjoy the video. The dashcam holds quite well. We use zip ties to secure it, but if you get any vibration that you don't want to see, you can also add some double-sided tape to secure it even better. Right now we only have the front dash cam installed in the vehicle, but so you know, Viofo A139 also comes with the rear dash cam and even interior infrared camera, which you can install as well. I made a full review video of this dash cam, so you can check it out. I will leave the link in the description. What's also cool about this dash cam is it records at 2K resolution, and it can record at 60 frames per second, opposed to normal 30 or 25. After we removed the plastic cover, now we will remove the GPS module from the Viofo dashcam. and we'll be using 2 zip ties to secure our camera. You should be able to guide the zip tie through this opening. You may need to use the second zip tie to help you guide the first one. And as you can see, it comes out from this side. And here it is. Now we will install the new camera back in place. So first remove this plastic cover. And over there you'll see the bolt that needs to be removed. You need to use 8mm socket to remove the bolt. Now you need to simply pull the cover towards yourself. And then carefully take it out. This is the opening for the 8mm bolt. Here you have a couple of metallic clips, and in the end they have a couple of claws. The next step is to remove this plastic piece. You simply pull it off. And one more. The power cable will go underneath the wireless charger. You can simply lift it up like this. This is the end that goes towards the dash cam. And it will exit from here.
Of course, you have to be careful, do not damage this cable connection to the wireless charger. And as you know, there is a special holder or hook that's left by the Volvo, I believe, for this purpose.
This way you can easily arrange the wire. Now the wire will go underneath the plastic, under the glove box, like this. We can later secure it with tape. Now got it underneath this plastic panel. Now we can use some tape to secure the wire, and now it will go through the A-pillar. So this is where the connection gets done to the dash cam. Then the wire proceeds this way and goes underneath the roof liner. In the A-pillar, the wire will go approximately in the middle, next to the existing cables. So you can see it's been hidden between the airbag and the existing wire. So after we remove this speaker connector, we will hide the wire underneath the speaker wire. We will use zip ties to attach our dashcam wire to the existing cables. So one more time I'll show you where the cable goes. It exits from underneath the roof liner and runs next to the existing cables. This way we completely avoid the airbag deployment. To reinstall the A-pillar cover, you have to start from the bottom, align it properly, so now all clips are back in place and we can reinstall the bolt now. Any extra wire that you have, you can hide over here. For that we'll use some tape and the zip tie again.